The second property of inverse trigonometric function is about the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of sin x? The reciprocal of sin is cosec, we know. The reciprocal of cos is sec. The reciprocal of tan is cot. Okay. In the case of inverse trigonometric function, we can represent the reciprocal by sin inverse 1 by x. It is not 1 by sin inverse x, that is meaningless. The reciprocal of sin inverse is represented by sin inverse 1 by x. Okay, what is the reciprocal of sin? Cosec. And sin inverse 1 by x is cosec inverse x. Or cosec inverse 1 by x is sin inverse x. Similarly, cos inverse 1 by x. Cos inverse 1 by x means the reciprocal of cos inverse x. Which is the reciprocal of cos inverse x? Sec inverse x. Or we can say that sec inverse 1 by x equal to cos inverse x. And tan inverse 1 by x. The reciprocal of tan inverse is cot inverse x. Or cot inverse 1 by x equal to tan inverse x. Okay. And the second property is related to the reciprocal. And the reciprocal property is denoted by not 1 by the ratio, that is 1 by angle. Sin inverse 1 by x, which is not 1 by sin inverse x. Okay. The third property, sin inverse minus x. We know sin of minus theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin inverse minus x is minus sin inverse x. And tan inverse minus x is minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse minus x is minus cosec inverse x. Okay, see the function sin, tan and cosec. Sin inverse, tan inverse and cosec inverse. If the value is negative, the answer is direct negative. Okay, the answer is direct negative. Which are the function? Sin, tan and cosec. But the next property, cos inverse minus x. Cos inverse minus x. We know cos minus theta is cos theta itself. Then cos inverse minus x is not minus cos inverse x. It is pi minus, that is 180 minus cos inverse x. And sec inverse minus x is 180 minus sec inverse x. It is not minus sec inverse x. And cot inverse minus x is also 180 minus or pi minus cot inverse x. Okay, these two properties are very important. Okay, see the first property, sin, tan and cosec. In these three functions, if the value is negative, the answer becomes direct negative. But cos, sec and cot, okay, cos, sec and cot, in this function, if the value is negative, the answer is not direct negative, it is 180 minus. Okay, example, say we know sin inverse 1 by 2. What do you mean by sin inverse 1 by 2? Sin inverse 1 by 2 means sin of which angle is 1 by 2. Okay, sin of which angle is 1 by 2. We know sin 30 is 1 by 2. One more value is there, 150 degree. But 150 degree is not in our principal value branch. Okay, this here in inverse trigonometric function, our solutions must be in the principal value branch. Then we cannot consider the value 150 degree. Sin inverse 1 by 2, there is only one answer, 30 degree. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is 30. And what is sin inverse minus 1 by 2? If the value is negative, the answer is direct negative, that is minus 30. Then tan inverse 1 by root 3. Tan of which angle is 1 by root 3? 30 degree. Then tan inverse minus 1 by root 3 is minus 30. Okay, in the case of sin, tan and cosec, if the value is negative, the answer is direct negative. You got the point? Okay, see another example. Cos inverse 1 by 2. We know cos inverse 1 by 2 from the table, it is 60 degree. Okay, it lies in the principal value branch. Cos inverse 1 by 2. But cos inverse negative 1 by 2 is not negative 60. In the case of cos, sec and cot, the answer is 180 minus value. That is 180 minus 60, 120 degree. And cot inverse 1 is 45 degree. Then cot inverse minus 1 is, it is not minus 45, it is 180 minus 45, 135 degree. And this question is very, very important. Okay, find the principal solution. See, in the case of sine, cosec and tan, okay, you know the property, sine, cosec and tan. If the question value is negative, answer is direct negative. In the case of cos, sec and cot, if the question value is negative, the answer is not negative, it is 180 minus the value. Okay, it is 180 minus value. Which are the function? Cos, sec and cot. Sine, cosec and tan, the answer is direct negative. But cos, sec and cot, the answer is 180 minus. Okay, you by heart these two properties and you can do the first exercise 2.1. Okay, you do the exercise 2.1 and submit today itself.